For all my gray girls that are sick and tired of running to the salon and spending a fortune every 2 to 3 weeks when your grays start to look like this. This is the Color Wow Root Touch-Up Powder, and I know what you're gonna say, oh, well, I have that spray. That spray is garbage. Not only are you spending 12 and change on this little tiny can, but it leaves your hair sticky and gross, and it's just messy. The only Root Touch-Up Powder that has an emollient blend that's going to add shine and make the root powder transfer-free and waterproof. You're just going to dab your brush in right here, and you're going to tap on the gray. And look at the shine that my hair still has. It doesn't have like that matte, dirty look. Look at that coverage and look at the shine. I took my hair from this to this in 3 minutes. If you have thinning spots, that is great for this too. You're going to do the same thing, and you're just gonna almost jab this onto your head, and it takes away those thinning areas as well. This side of the brush makes it so easy to apply it just on the hair, and you still get to see your part line without covering your scalp. You have gray, you need this.